Welcome to Everyday Cooking. If you haven't subscribed the channel yet, please click the subscribe button and the bell icon to stay connected, and it is absolutely free. Today we are going to prepare a festival snack, ring murukku or ring chakli. This first take 2 tablespoons of split green gram, that is moong dal. Clean this and soak this in water for about half an hour. Now let us take half a cup of water in a pan. To this add the soaked moong dal, that is the soaked split green gram. To this add 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds, quarter teaspoon of asafoetida, that is hing, required amount of salt, 1 teaspoon of chilli powder, 1 teaspoon of sesame seeds, and 2 teaspoons of butter. The butter I am using here is unsalted butter. If you are using salted butter, adjust the salt accordingly. Butter will make the murukku very soft, so don't avoid it. And if you don't have butter, you can go for oil also, but butter is a better option. Once the water starts boiling, you can add the rice flour. For half a cup of water, it is 1 cup of rice flour. Add the flour little by little and stir it continuously. So now you can switch off the flame and start mixing it. You need to get a soft dough out of this. This is ready, and until you use this, please keep it closed. If you are not going to close this, your dough will become dry soon. Once the heat is bearable, you can transfer it into another bowl, and you have to knead this for a few minutes. Here the dough is ready. Apply some oil on your hands. Take a small ball out of it and you have to shape it now. We are going to make a ring out of this. You have to make it long like this. We need a small ring, so remove the excess. Join this to form a small ring. Here our rings are ready. Make sure you are covering the rest of the dough. You should not let it dry. Now deep fry the rings in hot oil and in medium flame. Flip this and fry this until it is golden brown. Now this is golden brown and looks crispy too. We can take it out. The first set is ready. Let's start the second set. The second set is also ready, and this murukku will taste so good. Do try it at home. Hope you liked the recipe. We'll join you in another interesting recipe, and don't forget to subscribe our channel.